How to add a video to a page in Wix easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a video to a Wix page on your website. So let's get started. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to sign into your wix.com and you're going to select the website you want to edit. It will take you to the dashboard. You're going to click on edit site so that you get to your website editor. This is our editor.wix.com. You're going to select the page where you want to add a video. So this is my page right here, and this is our section. You can see it's a clear section. I can add a video here. I'm going to click on add. This is the add element option. You're going to click right here, and then we have our video and music. So we're going to go to the video and music here. So you can see video and music. Now we have different types of videos that we can add to our Wix website. We have a single video player. We can go for columns as well and add more than one video. Then we have a video Wix videos. You can see we can add more than one video, like a grid of videos. Then we have video box that we can add, video mask, and then we have transparent videos that can be added to our Wix website. So I'm going to go with a that can be added to our Wix website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to the single video player and select this one. Let's say I want to add a video from YouTube. So I'm going to select this one and it will be added to my website. Now, all I need to do is just drag and drop it where I want to add, and I can adjust the shape and size as well. So I think here it looks good. I'm just going to place it right here in the middle. Perfect. Now you can see a video has been added to my page, and I can actually add more than one videos as well. This is how you add a video to a page in Wix. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.